Alright guys, welcome to a brand new Hot Wheels review here in the Road Beast place. And today's presentation we're not gonna have any of editing or anything, as we're gonna review the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Monster Maker. So I just got back from Toys R Us and I got really lucky here because this was the last one, that has the spine. There we go, spine buster on it. We also have Bedlam. So let's first check the box. Hold on. So I hope you can actually see this better. By the way, this video is shot with 2K 30 frames per second. So if you want to, edit or moreover go to the highest resolution, will be better. So anyways, we first of all got the types of cars and the monster trucks. So it's the first time that I got this. Okay, so these were actually dominating the place, Toys R Us. But these however, I saw them like many times and was like procrastinating, each time, until I finally decided to make up my mind and get one. So yeah, but just because it was the last one, okay? Because later, like if you want to get in on eBay or something, it will be like expensive. Anyways, so we got Muscle Tone and Power Rage. I haven't seen this guy in a while. I have it on the Road Beast place, but not next to me right now. Now I left it in Morocco. So this guy, forgot his name. Sorry, Roguehog. Spinebuster, one of the Hot Wheels Acceleracers cars, and Bedlam, of course, Bedlam, you know it. So, but actually was a long time ago since the last time I have using it, on track ride or something. It was just for collection, no. So, unfortunately, would love to get two of these, but for one for displaying it and one for like playing with it. But it's okay. It's okay. So, this is how it looks like. You got Power Rage and got your two cars, underneath nothing, and then here however there's nothing as well. So very interesting. So as the package says, you just like hook up the wheels of the cars and then you got your own monster trucks. I mean, honestly, it's like the Hyperpod, from Acceleracers. These vehicles where you put your smaller vehicles. I'm not sure if you're familiar with this, but if you're a Hot Wheels Acceleracers fan, yeah, you probably know what I'm talking about. So hope you're ready because I'm about to to unbox this. Sorry. So, uh, oh, did I forgot to show you this? So this is the concept of like the set. Or probably I won't be able to keep the box because I don't have much space here. Ah, there we go. Oops. Your two cards and then your monster thing. So let's start with the cards. And yeah, so here once again we got Bedlam. Yeah, this is Bedlam, and I don't know why there's like something it's like had been like scratch or something. It's okay. So we got Bedlam, always in this, the name is in the same spot, you know what I'm saying. It's a beautiful car, I agree. This is the front, this is the rear, or the rear, sorry, the engine. Oops, beautiful car. So let's check the details. So what we got here, we got the Hot Wheels logo. That's sick, like really sick. And the purple is matching the orange, which is something good. I'm not sure if you can see, wait, the interior. I mean, the lights kind of bouncing everywhere, but there we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go, and that was Bedlam. and oh my god, dude, Spine Buster. Wait, Spine Buster, there you go. I have this dilemma for you. Imagine that you hadn't seen or touched this car since like 2008 or 9, I believe. Because here's the thing, there were like those McDonald's cars, you know? And the thing is that I got robbed. You know, I was a kid and there was like other kids, and at the swimming pool, what happened is that we were playing, had this car, okay? But the McDonald version. So what I did is that with other like kids, we decided like to throw it at a pool, and then later you just swim and look for it and then get back, and then yeah. So we were kids, you know, and I said yeah. But the thing is that when I've given the car to the other kids, I don't think that he throwed the car so that I can like go and, you know, it was my turn to get it. I think he threw the rock, and then he got away from like from the real car, so I got robbed. But since then, I had never the opportunity to see this car since like I don't know, since all those Axle Racers. Even though all those Axle Racers, I wasn't able to like to get any of these because like I hadn't the opportunity to know that there were like toy store that was actually selling types of Hot Wheels cars and everything. But we're not gonna get into much details because I love this car. Like, first of all, it's a hole, okay? You can see that there's nothing underneath. Hope that the camera will catch this. Sorry. Yeah, you see there's like some written things. So this is supposed to be like the engine. Here, however, the where the driver is actually driving. I mean, I swear this car is actually bringing me back some good memories. You know, beautiful car. I love it, and this is the back. And as I just said, it was driven by it was a Metal Maniac car, and was driven by what's his name, Kurt Wild? No, Mark Wild. Okay, so got cool engine. Check it out. I mean, obviously, I don't know if you're familiar with that car, you know it, but this thing is a beast for me. And you know what? These Toys R Us, you know, I have started to recollect some of the old models that I hadn't the opportunity to have when I was a kid. So yeah, that was Spinebuster. Now let's see this guy. So first time, no, actually the second time, because the first time was like with the trash wheel or wheel trasher. I forgot the monster truck, but got the monster trucks over here, and I believe that this extends, yeah, for your car. So let's see how this works. Dude, I don't want to damage this. Okay, I'll be back. Ta-da! This is hilarious. But the thing is that it can damages the wheels, you know, just for the like the style and everything. But still, this thing is actually so awesome. Yeah, doesn't detach, which is something good. Maybe in a future videos, maybe what I can do is that make a racing, you know, between normal and monster trucks. Now unfortunately I didn't get the opportunity to get Trash Wheeler, you know, that monster truck that I had, but it's okay. Maybe one day I'm gonna start to collect monster trucks as well, because they're like these, there are beautiful models, I'm not gonna lie. And Hot Wheels is making his job. sorry, I actually kept speaking. I forgot about telling you the details. There you go. This is how it looks like. So yeah, that's it for today's presentation, and I hope you actually liked the video. So be sure to subscribe and leave a big thumbs up. We're trying to hit 300 subscribers, you know, as fast. So yeah, that's it. Take care, guys, and bye bye.